Hey, it's H here. Today we're taking a look at technical analysis for Ethereum. I'll cover wave analysis with Elliott Waves theory and provide multiple scenarios the price may take and explain why I prefer one count over another. Let's take a look at the different possibilities. Starting here on daily time frame and looking at these more local scenarios since the mid-Junes. We've had this trend line here on RSI. We had that as hit as a support, small bounce, and then just went straight through it on daily. On 4 hours, we have already broken that also, so that is no longer used to us basically. We have two different scenarios here for this current structure, in which we have this as the bearish one, as A, B and C into W, 3 pull back into X, and then again A, B, C into wave Y. The WXY did not reach the 1-to-1 parity but hit the 0.854, again beyond the 0.618, which is the minimum. We hit also the 1-to-1 extension of this ABC move, which is looking pretty okay. Here we would have this as a wave 1 with the diagonal, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Looks pretty good as is. The bullish count can be labeled into the same structure, in which this would be a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now the only thing that I don't like this is the retracement here for the wave 4, which is higher time frame or higher degree than this previous wave 4, which is again lower degree, and this higher degree structure is smaller, so that's why I don't prefer this as much. However, we did get pretty okay looking structure otherwise here. We are getting the highs here on the 3rd of 3rd, getting that divergence between 3rd of 5th, and then between these later parts as well for the 5th here. So yeah, both are valid still. Since then we've had very impulsive move downwards, and let's take a look at that closer. Let's close this one and show you the local structures here. And this is still the same as we have been talking about this for a couple of days, in which we have this as a leading diagonal into 1, 2, a 1, 2. I took my shorts up here as I missed this previous structure, so I'm still having this shorts open. I have not taken profits on this one. I did take my profits on Bitcoin. This definitely is an area to take profits. You could even re-enter some here. Generally, when we have this base channel here on impulse wave structures, the base channel is often having the resistance, in this case in short setups, right here on the channel end or channel lines. So this could be another area to look for short setups. I'm not going to be looking for shorts anywhere down here. We've already used the bulk for this move, in my opinion. We got into the beyond the 1.618 here, so we don't really need to be expecting an extension here, although we did not really get too far here beyond the 1.618. If we are pivoting from anywhere in this box, we have these targets, but again, this correction here is going to be taking the whole weekend, I'm assuming, just because again weekends are slow, and at that point we are going to be getting that alteration between second wave and fourth wave. This is going to be a very swift, although this is definitely looking like an expanded flat here. I'm feeling that we are going to get some kind of combination here, and yeah, 22nd I think is the Monday, and then we could be looking at this 23.2 or the 38.2 area here. If we are going to go beyond this area, beyond the 38.2, then I would be considering this as still a possibility of being ABC here, and then we could be looking for another ABC and continuation downwards, depending of course how the wave structures develops. But yeah, my bias is still downwards, looking for that divergence to happen between the 3rd and 5th here, when and if that is going to happen, and then we would be looking to play this next structure upwards. Unlike in Bitcoin, where we have that option of having that expanded flat here, we don't have that here, so that's why my bias is still that, okay, this is going to be the first leg of something downwards. Either this is going to be the A wave, and this is going to be B, and then again we're going to get that C wave, or we're going to be having this as a wave 1, 2, and that would be very, very bearish. I haven't really figured out how that would fit into the higher time frame structures yet, but again, we don't need to be doing that as of yet, as this there is very much of or still plenty of time to discuss that in the near future. But that is again pretty much everything I wanted to cover today. If you made it this far into the video, I would appreciate the likes, link to my free Discord server in the description below. And for now, I thank you for watching and hope you have an amazing rest of your day. See you in the next video. Bye bye.